12 months later, we are here again for the largest tournament of the year. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning from Anaheim in beautiful California. We are live from BlizzCon to conclude the 2016 World Championship. This morning I'm joined by In Control, Rotterdam and Artosis on the couch. Good morning, gentlemen. 2016 has been a fantastic year. We'll get back to it in a couple of seconds, but let's look back at that year that we've seen so far, because we started competition back in January 11 months ago, and now the WCS found 7 champions, 9 players for the WCS standings, and we are now here with 16 players to compete at the WCS Global Finals. At this very stage in the tournament, only 8 players do remain. The year's been a one to remember, Artosis, starting way back in January. Talk to us about some highlights from the start of the year.
Oh man, I mean, in the start of the year, Legacy of the Void had just come out, and one of the first big tournaments to kick off was GSL, Code S in South Korea, and immediately TY and Zest, they jumped to the forefront, just reinventing how to play the game, and I feel like they've really spawned the way that Protosses and Terrans play within this new version.
And Rotti and In Control, you've joined the WCS circuit from the very beginning, back in Leipzig early in January, and followed its road to where we are today.
Yeah, it was interesting as well, because we saw people perform incredibly good at Leipzig that we didn't necessarily see shine in Heart of the Swarm. So it was a fun start of the year, and was also the beginning of a couple of stories that will play out throughout the entirety of the year. For instance, the first top 16 appearance of an American. Back then, that was something we talk about, Sean.
And Jeff?
Well, I mean, just even getting away from the specific performance of players, what I've found really cool is this was the year finally where kind of the WCS system, the hard work has paid off. We're seeing foreigners actually compete with the global scale with Koreans